Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change your name in Candy Crush Saga. To change your name in Candy Crush Saga, you'll need to update your King account settings. So make sure that you have signed up to Candy Crush Saga with King account. Open up your Candy Crush Saga application and make sure that you are in the home page. And also make sure that you are logged in with your King account. After you've done that, tap the gear button at the top right and click on My Account. You will then be able to see this King account interface where you'll need to tap on Edit in green right under your email address. Go to Nickname and then erase your current one. Type down a new nickname for yourself and click on Save Changes. Now you will be able to change your nickname or your profile name on Candy Crush Saga with the help of the King account option. If you're logged in with Facebook, the game uses your Facebook profile name and you cannot change it directly within Candy Crush app. You will need to change your name on Facebook and it will reflect in the game as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.